Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In this video, I will discuss about what are the identity operators in Python. And this video will be in two parts. In the first part, I will define what are operators in Python. Then I will define what are the identity operators in Python. And in the second part, I will take a practical example to explain the concept. So let's start the first part of the video. So firstly, I will define what is operator in Python. So an operator is a special symbol which can be used to perform calculations on values and variables. So basically, operators are special symbols which can be used to perform calculations on operands, and the operands can be values as well as variables. For example, 2 plus 5. Here 2 and 5 are the values or operands and plus is the operator. Now I will define what is identity operator in Python. So what is identity operator in Python? So an identity operator is a special comparison operator which can be used to compare identities of two objects in Python. So basically, identity operators, they are again comparison operators, and these comparison operators or spatial comparison operators can be used to compare identities of two objects in Python. And the examples will include is and is not. So basically, there are two types of identity operators in Python. First one is the is, and the second one is not.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.